Hey, what's going on, everybody? Darrell Evans here, co-founder of Yokel Local. I'm with the most amazing
head of content, Amanda Edens.
Awesome. And not only is Amanda the head of content, she has been responsible for over 50,000 pieces of content online.
That's what they say.
Pretty incredible. So Amanda, you spent a lot of time at our 2.5-day boot camp, the Digital Growth Mastery event, where we work with entrepreneurs, marketers, and you spend a good chunk of change, time that is, working with people around content, because everyone wants to rank on the first page of Google, and it's more than just the service pages or the product pages of a website, right? So I want you to talk a little bit about, if you can, some of the big mistakes that people are making or the challenges people have with creating content that's actually going to rank on Google. What's one of the big challenges?
Okay, well, the first mistake that I often see business owners make when I do blog audits is writing around what you want to tell people versus what your prospects actually want to discover.
And because people go to Google for their own reason, to search for their own thing.
Yes.
And a lot of times people are writing from their perspective what they want people to know.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
Yeah, so you work a lot on that, and there's a formula that you use. There's some great discovery processes that you use. What's mistake number 2?
Mistake number 2 is how crafting the headline in a way that does not entice people to click. So ultimately, keeping in mind that the headline is the gatekeeper to your content. No one's going to read the article unless they actually click on it.
Well, it's interesting because SEO, people don't know how big of a factor that is in SEO, right? Someone Googles something, we get you there to the first page of Google, but then nobody clicks on your stuff. Google says, bad result, take you off the first page of Google, right? So it's a huge deal writing clickable headlines, not clickbait, of course, but making a headline stand out and pop amongst the other 10 to 15 to 20 links on the first page. And what's mistake number 3?
Mistake number 3 is not thinking about time on site. So best case scenario is including elements such as infographics and videos to keep people engaged with the content and in a way that keeps them there longer, and also so it's not just a giant wall of text.
right. You know, so one of the factors from an SEO standpoint, Google looks at how long people are engaged in your content. And so if people show up and then immediately go back to Google, that's also a negative factor. Yeah. So Amanda, you've got a fantastic, and it's a detailed guide, like it's called the 37
steps to writing an effective blog post. It's all of the steps that I use on a daily basis for all of our clients, from A to Z, basically.
Yeah, and 37 doesn't take like 2 days to figure out. I mean, once you get into the routine, it becomes easy. And Amanda teaches this at our 2.5-day mastery event called the Digital Growth Mastery. We've got one coming up soon. If you're interested in going deeper and making sure you understand this exact process, because you've got quite a few blog posts under your belt that are on the first page of Google, and they drive tons of revenue for our clients, we'd encourage you to click the link above or below and get more information about our upcoming event. And we hope to see you there. And also, you get the full 37-point guide.
All 37.
When you come to the list. And we help you, we work with you over 12 months after you leave the event to make sure you've got it nailed down to a process. Anything else you want to share?
No, that'll do it.
All right. Hopefully we'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Once again. Nailed it. I think I might have to start my own show.